Today, we're talking about the 4th of July, y'all. And the recipe that I'm fixing to share with y'all is so good. It's a sweet and salty, and my daughter-in-law, Brooke, brings this every Christmas for our Christmas dinner. And it's one of those that can also, any holiday like Valentine's Day, the 4th of July, any holiday that has like red in it. So we're doing this for the 4th of July. We ain't gonna wait until Christmas for this one. So it's, I'm gonna spray it just a little bit. We got so much butter, I don't think we'll need it, but just in case. We're gonna start with a couple of cups of crushed pretzels. So there we've got our salty. And here we got our sweet, some sugar. And here we've got our melted butter. And we're gonna just press that into a 13 by 9 by 2. This is for you, Brooke. You can come eat some and you won't have to make it yourself. All right, so we're just gonna stir that all together. And then we're gonna press it into our 13 by 9 by 2. And we're gonna bake it for about 7 minutes because we want it to make a firm crust. And if you don't bake it, it won't harden. So I could eat this with a spoon, y'all, just like this. So 7 minutes at 400 degrees. When we take it out, it will have formed a hard crust. All right, y'all, we're getting ready for the second step for our strawberry pretzel salad. And that wonderful crust that I could eat with a spoon. We baked it off, and you can see it's nice and firm. And it's tooled off so I can put the next step on top. All right, so I got my 8-ounce package of cream cheese, my 3/4 a cup of sugar. And we're gonna cut this up. And then we're gonna fold it into our sweetened whipped cream. Yum. All right, so I'm gonna fold this together. You can see our whipped cream. It's nice and stiff. So we're just gonna fold this in, and I'll tell you what, I may wind up having to use a mixer on it. I don't know. But I'll try folding it first. And I'm just gonna hit it real quick with my beater, because that cream cheese was pretty stiff. It's not gonna hurt a thing. That second step is so good, y'all. Yeah, I recommend using a little mixer on it so it gets incorporated real good. Okie doke. Got one more step, y'all. One more step. I have to chill that for just a little bit. Yeah. Y'all hear what Teresa said? We're going to have to chill this just a little bit. Let's finish up this strawberry pretzel salad, y'all. Now it calls for 2 3-ounce packages of strawberry gelatin. I'm just using 1 6-ounce, so you can get it in either size, but that's a 1 6-ounce box. And now I'm going to measure me out a couple of cups of boiling water. But you want me to get down there and look at it, because
Okay, I think I got a little too much. Ain't hell. Let's see.
2 cups exactly.
Oops. Alrighty. So we're just gonna dissolve that gelatin in that boiling water, and we're gonna let it cool slightly. And then we've got our frozen strawberries and our crushed pineapple that we're gonna add to it. But we're gonna let that cool for just a few minutes. All right, we've let our gelatin dissolve into our boiling water. And now we're gonna add the frozen strawberries. And that's really gonna chill it off. And a crushed pineapple. And that's just a little 8-ounce can, just enough to give it a little pineapple-y. This is so good. And people are gonna love it for the 4th of July because it's just gonna be cold and refreshing. So I'm just gonna let that cool off for a minute, and then we're just gonna pour it on top of our cream cheese layer that's been in the refrigerator chilling. Just gonna take this out. And I'm going to very gently pour this on top of our other 2 layers. Wow. Look at that. My kids used to tease me when I would make gelatin salads.
Are you making that geriatric dish, Mama?
Yes, because us old folks like it. Just trying to make sure my strawberries are kind of evenly distributed all over. And these frozen berries work great for this particular gelatin salad. Okay, I love the pineapple in it. Okay, that looks pretty well distributed, doesn't it, Eddie? Yes.
Looks good.
Looks so good. Because I don't want any smells from other food getting in this. I want to sew it up pretty good. And you can actually make this dish the day before, and it'll all be right ready for you. I'll have to make room. I'll have to make room. Perfect. Look at that. Look at that beautiful salmon. Yum, yum. Isn't it delicious?
Mm-hmm.
The sweet and the salty.
And the strawberry.
Mmm. 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 Yum. My kids can laugh all they want to about my geriatric salad, but they are delicious. Mmm. And I know that Jamie Deen loves this one because his wife makes it. Yum.
Well, y'all enjoy. Like I said, Valentine's Day, 4th of July, Christmas. So see, that's going to cut real clean once it has set long enough. And it makes a lot so you'll have it to eat on for several days. So I hope y'all have a safe and happy 4th of July. And I hope you have a bunch of good food to eat. Love and best dishes, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.